it's quite a well thought out agenda planned. When you do such an experience with clients, it kind of shows about the company much more than what you just offer. It kind of deep dives into your culture, it kind of deep dives into your philosophy of how customer centric you guys are. Also, I think witnessing presentations from various team members showed a lot of diligence, commitment, expertise that Bizom is building, in various aspects. And because you have, teams of so many different kinds, building so many different things, and then them collaborating together to deliver, a fantastic product. I think it showcases a lot of long-term thinking, in the organization. And also, I think a mindset of a leader and not a follower, because this industry tends to now have so many Me Too products and brands, but not all of them would do such kind of thought leader, presentations or demonstrations. I think that definitely stands you apart compared to the competition.
Honestly, I didn't expect such a well-planned, day. I was not ready to, get so much interactive session, right? I thought, okay, there would be certain products which, Bizom team would be showcasing, but, the way the team has, showcased, it was not only presentation, it was actually, the way you guys have started with the discovery, from that point itself, it triggered a lot of questions and all. We find a lot of value in all these new developments which Bizom is doing, and it is building our confidence, more and more with Bizom today, right? So I would really like to thank Lalit and all of you, entire team, right, for actually, arranging this workshop for us. So initially I was thinking, tiring hoga yaar, kya bolenge, kya nahi karenge. But now though, while during the day I was thinking, at least once in a quarter we should be here. We should be, discussing what has happened in the last quarter. Okay, what went well, what else we can do. At least one day in a quarter, because you guys are integral partner to our growth journey now. I started with SFA and now DMS, right? And now the AI tools. I don't think that we can live without one full day interaction with you guys in a quarter at least. So let's make it a continuous process. We are really happy to be here, and it's a worth spending one full day with all of you guys.